Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the DHgate DHgate settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you search about the DHgate like this and you click here. Then here we click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.